here we go again. I've said it a few times before, and I'm gonna keep saying it 1,000 times in the future. Wake up every day and start grinding. If you've been thinking about starting that business that you always wanted to start it. Do it. Just do it now. Just do it. Right? Just go for it. Stop overthinking it. You got this. Okay? I promise you that you are one business idea from changing your life. When I first started, before I started real estate, it was the scariest thing I ever thought about. But I'm so glad that I made the jump and I went to school and I finished it and I actually started that business. Okay? So stop overthinking and just go for it. You got this. Believe in yourself.